Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change chat themes on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Tap onto profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap on three line, settings and privacy. Click on here. First enable this option and go back. Tap onto chat option. Select a specific person. Click onto profile. Go to themes. And here you can easily change themes from here. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily change chat themes on Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.